Good afternoon, viewers. Professor Dr. Rahil Kareem. Um, I'm a fellow of the Royal College of Psychiatrists, practice both in England and in Pakistan. I'm going to be talking about sexual issues, and you are going to be seeing a series of videos on this. And I just feel that this is an issue that has been neglected by the medical faculty, and that it lies mostly with people who are non-medical, and therefore the education about sex and its problems has gone into the wrong hands. In particular, today मैं जो बात करना चाह रहा हूँ वो premature ejaculation के बारे में है, which is a very common sexual issue, and that can affect men of all ages. It is generally defined, a premature ejaculation क्या होती है? Let me expand on that. It is generally defined as ejaculation that occurs sooner than desired. बात ये बहुत relative किस्म की है, but often within a minute or less of penetration, and can be जब ये जल्दी ejaculate कर जाते हैं लोग, so it is accompanied by distress or frustration. मैं ये आपको बताता चलूँ कि whilst premature ejaculation can have physical causes, but more often than not, it is linked to psychological factors. So let's explore the psychological factors and its causes. और इसके बाद in the second bit I will tell you about the treatment options in some detail. तो नफ्सियाती या psychological causes of premature ejaculation क्या हैं? Most importantly, जो मैं practice में देखता हूँ, it is all about performance anxiety. So it's anxiety about sexual performance, और ये सबसे common psychological factor है that contributes to premature ejaculation. आदमी or men may fear that they won't be able to satisfy their partner, or that they will ejaculate too quickly. Now this then again creates a cycle of stress and tension that actually increases the likelihood of premature ejaculation. और ये performance anxiety as sexual activity is linked to erotic thoughts or thoughts of pleasure. So इसमें अगर ये thoughts divert हो जाएं तो आपके लिए not only just premature ejaculation is the outcome, but erectile dysfunction is also a major problem. So the pressure to perform well, the pressure to perform according to what your partner expects or what society and your friends have told you can trigger anxiety, which can then lead to premature release and consequently to distress after the performance. So people who ejaculate prematurely see themselves as less of a man. So the next common cause of premature ejaculation is the relationship issue. आप ये देखें कि sex is an encounter between two human beings. So there has to be a strong emotional or interpersonal connection within a relationship. So if that relationship is not that great, it can contribute to premature ejaculation. Sex के बारे में लोग बात नहीं करना चाहते. It's seen as a topic of taboo even in married couples. So lack of communication जो है ना in this particular area is also something that contributes to premature ejaculation. अब रिश्ते की quality is very important. Like if the couple has unresolved conflicts or dissatisfaction with intimacy, तो ये भी create करती है anxiety and distress, which can then affect sexual performance. So in these situations, viewers, premature ejaculation may be a manifestation of an underlying emotional issue or tension between partners. So what I'm just trying to say is that the quality of the relationship will affect the quality of the sexual activity, whether that is being able to have an erection or being able to discharge yourself in terms of the appropriate time that you feel that you should be holding on to. Very commonly in my practice do I see depression and stress as a major contributing issue other than performance anxiety on premature ejaculation. तो जो कॉमन कंडीशंस हैं दे आर लाइक डिप्रेशन और क्रॉनिक स्ट्रेस, और इट डेफिनेटली अफेक्ट्स सेक्शुअल फंक्शनिंग इन वेरियस वेज. सो आदमी तो आपको पता है ज़्यादा डिप्रेशन के बारे में बात नहीं करना पसंद करते, and they usually do not deal with it. But men dealing with depression may experience a reduced desire to have sexual activity in the first instance. They may have a reduced desire to approach others for sexual activity. Their concentration isn't that good, and they generally feel anxious, all of which can then contribute to premature ejaculation. Stress, obviously, in daily life is incredibly avoidable or not avoidable depending upon how you deal with stress and how you perceive stress and what strategies you work through to be able to deal with stress. So stress in daily life could be work related, financial or personal. तो ये चीज़ें जब इंसान के ज़हन में चल रही होती हैं, then you're not able to focus on the fact that you have to perform optimally during sex. So can also then create performance pressures or can lead to performance anxiety, जो कि worsen या exacerbate करती है sexual difficulties को. Commonly do I see issues relating to childhood trauma or negative sexual experiences when children or men are growing up. So past sexual trauma, I think, such as abuse or shame, or including sexual activity that children may have had inadvertently with others. बच्चे तो ज़ाहिर है, they are clean slate, so they don't know much about these things. Lots of people actually groom children for these kind of things, and they are left with scars for the rest of their life. So associated with sexuality, the experiences during childhood can leave really very long-lasting sexual scars. Negative early experiences with sex can lead to feelings of guilt, anxiety or fear when engaging in intimate activities as an adult. ये neglected area है, but this can be certainly explored in various parts of the treatment. मुझसे लोग अक्सर पूछते हैं कि जी excessive masturbation जो है वो ठीक है या नहीं है, and there is a lot of guilt around that. So masturbation is a kind of a conditioning activity. So men have conditioned themselves to ejaculate quickly through excessive masturbation. चूँकि masturbation सिर्फ अपने pleasure के लिए करते हैं लोग, so they want to achieve a climax very soon, and they basically have learned to rush through sexual encounters in order to reach climax faster, which can then be reinforced as a habit pattern in their sexual life. It's obviously hormone driven, and sexual repression in our society also then tends to lead a mark on how people can perform sexually appropriately in their real lives when they are married or when they are in relationships. हमारे माशरे में तो देखें, there are very unrealistic expectations. Lots of couples or individuals that I see in my practice have been told by their friends as to how long they should last in sex, and वो अक्सर बहुत गलत बातें उनको बताई जाती हैं, अनरियलिस्टिक बातें बताई जाती हैं. सो वो अपने सेक्शुअल एक्टिविटी को उन बातों के अगेंस्ट मेजर करते हैं. क्लियरली मीडिया प्लेज अ मेजर portrayal of sex. So society के जो pressures हैं can create unrealistic expectations regarding sexual performance. और जब आदमी को ये लगता है कि he is not living up to these exaggerated standards set by the media, by their friends, by the society, they usually tend to develop anxiety-driven response and performance anxiety that can eventually lead to premature ejaculation. Another cause is fear of sexual intimacy. Not everybody is designed to perform sexual acts in the context of an intimate relationship. Some men may experience deep-seated fears related to closeness. वो कुर्बत से घबराते हैं. They don't like intimacy because they have not learned to be intimate, or they have not learned to love themselves or others during their childhood. तो ये past experiences या fears के साथ linked है, and lots of people feel very vulnerable in intimate relationships because they feel that they may not be valued. They probably have not been validated appropriately in their younger years or in their previous past experiences with other people. So these fears or ये जो खौफ हैं that have emanated from their past can interfere with natural course of sexual interaction, leading to an anxious or a rushed ejaculation. They just want to get over things as quickly as they can. So these are some of the psychological causes of premature ejaculation, but please make sure that there are also physical causes of premature ejaculation which need to be addressed. I have deliberately not touched upon them because this is beyond the scope of this particular video.